making pizza. Oh, I love you, my mama. Yeah, we gonna have fun.
Let's get into it, guys.
Hi, you guys. I'm Kayden. This is my mom, and this is Cooking with Kayden.
Cooking with Kayden. Welcome back to another episode. We are bringing you new videos every week. Just call them Food Fridays, Cooking with Kayden. So on Fridays is when we'll be uploading our videos, snacks, treats, and delicious meals. And today we have something so easy for you. Kayden, tell them what we're making today.
We're making pizza rolls with the Pillsbury crust. Pillsbury crust.
Okay, so today you can do this with, of course, homemade dough, but why not? I'm trying to do it the easiest and simple and fastest way. So we'll be using the pizza crust from Pillsbury, and I think it'll be fun for Kayden to pop it open and everything. And we're gonna see how.
Pop it open with a knife.
Yes, I'm not even gonna go there. So we're just gonna open these babies up and we're gonna get started. And this is a simple recipe. All you need is about 3 or 4 ingredients. Of course, your dough, you need your cheese, whatever cheese you like. We'll be using mozzarella. I'll be doing pepperoni, of course, half pepperoni, half cheese because he doesn't like pepperonis. And of course, your pizza sauce. That's all you need, guys.
So let's get into it.
Let's do this, Kayden. First thing you have to do, Kayden, is flour, of course. All right, so you just want to spread that around. Just like that. This is just so, of course, the dough won't stick. So we're going to open these bad boys up. And it's been so long since I've opened up a Pillsbury.
Pillsbury knife.
Okay, it's okay, then you have to peel this back. You want to pop it open?
But how?
You press spoon. Ooh, okay. All right, so we already got it open. See, it's so easy. So you just take this.
I smell the dough.
You smell the dough? And it comes out already formed. He likes to smell everything.
Ooh, I like the...
Hands are washed, Kayden? Okay, so now the dough just comes out just like this. Now take it, center it, and just roll it out.
So, like... Ooh, it feels nice.
Feels nice? Okay, so find the opening. You gotta find the beginning of it. And nice and straight, okay?
I don't know what do I feel.
Look at what you're doing, Kayden, okay?
Yes.
So it already comes already pre-rolled out. So we're just gonna take but we're gonna flip it so that way we get both sides floured. Don't stretch it. You want it to keep the form, Kayden, okay? So we're just gonna add flour to the pan. Kayden, we're just gonna roll this out to make it more even. So you just wanna roll it out, make sure it's even. You wanna make sure there's no holes in it, Kayden, okay? Okay. So now, Kayden, preheat the oven to 350. Go ahead and cut the oven on. Okay, so Kayden got the oven preheated. So now, Kayden, what you're going to do, you're going to put your marinara sauce, spread it out right in the center, okay? All right, so we're going to leave the sides of the roll blank because it's going to be rolled, okay? So you're just going to take this and spread it out in the middle, okay? Don't drop it. Just take it, just put it on there. Get some more, and then you rub it around. Don't spill. Why are you holding it like you're scared of the sauce? It's pizza sauce.
I'm not scared of the sauce.
All right, use the bottom of the spoon to spread it out. So you just spread it out like so, Kayden. So do you think that's enough sauce, Kayden?
Maybe. I want the whole pizza to be red. And then we can start doing it.
The sides is gonna get rolled up. Okay? So
let me just finish it.
All right, here you go. take the cheese. All you're doing is taking the mozzarella cheese. And
Oh, I like this part.
And
Oh,
spread out.
it feels so rubbery and nice.
Don't drop it. Come on.
Mozzarella cheese, cheese, cheese. The mozzarella cheese, cheese, cheese. You take the cheese and drop it. You take some more and cut it.
But make sure you get it on the pizza.
And the cheese. Mozzarella cheese.
Oh my God. Kayden, you're making a mess. We want to make sure we get the cheese on the pizza. Okay, oven is ready. Come on.
Mozzarella cheese.
Oh my goodness. All right, so let me finish this.
I think that's a lot of cheese.
Yeah, that's a lot of cheese, and you have to make sure you spread it out. So that's the main thing. You want to make sure you spread it out.
Can I do it on the side?
I think we should be good. I think that has enough cheese. Spread it out. Put some more right there. All right, so now we got cheese everywhere. So now I'm only gonna add pepperoni to my half, and then the rest will be cheese. Okay, Kayden? Okay. But what I'm gonna do is, because I don't want them big inside the rolls, I'm just gonna break them up like little pepperoni bites. And that's gonna be so good. So instead of laying them out whole, I'm just tearing them up into like little pepperoni bites. What are you doing? I tell you, my son.
Kiss the frog to turn into a frog.
Kiss the frog to turn into a frog?
Then you should kiss me good to turn human.
Okay, so this will be half. I'll give him most of the pizza, so I won't put as much pepperoni. And you can put whatever toppings you like. Of course, I love sausage, but I just grabbed the pepperoni. But I'm a meat lover. I wish my son was like me.
Yeah, you could also put some plants on the pizza if you like plants.
If you want to do mushrooms, you can do whatever toppings you like. Okay, then now all you gotta do is you're gonna take it. I'm gonna start it, and then you're gonna finish it, okay? And you have to be very careful.
Yep.
So all we're doing is taking it and rolling it up, okay?
Like that, like so.
Alright. Alright, so take your hands.
Take my hands.
Alright, and roll.
And you do this like so.
Be very careful when you're doing it at the same
With
time.
my hands. Roll it up like so.
You want it to be nice. So take it and
Yeah, shake, 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 shake it. Now let's take that off. Oh, that was actually easy to come off.
yes.
I bet.
So now all we have to do is cut it. I'm going to cut off the edge because there's nothing on there, and that'll be excess. So Kayden, we're going to cut each one. I'm going to actually cut it in half because pretty much where the pepperoni stopped. You need a sharp knife. You don't want to glide back and forth because you want to get like a nice even cut. So I'll cut my side, and then I'll show you how to cut your side, okay?
I mean, all you gotta do to cut is do that.
Yeah, but you want to make sure you have a nice shape. All right, ours are kind of full, and then we're just gonna place them on. Make sure you cut all the way through.
Can I cut?
Hold on,
And when I say
and then they'll fluff up. Ooh, there's a lot of cheese in there. Okay, they're kind of thick. Hopefully we didn't put too much cheese in them. Okay, pick it up. I don't know what's so funny. My son laughs for everything. Let me see how you cut yours. That's not how you hold a knife. You need to put your hand up here. Don't squish it.
I know.
And all you're doing is going straight down. Don't glide. You want to make sure it's pressed all the way down, separated, okay?
This looks like you're doing it.
I'm trying to help you. You gotta learn
Let me
how.
just feel the fat.
Okay? So these will be yours down here. All right, so try it again. Well, don't put your hand down there on the blade.
All right, let me do that. And don't glide.
Straight down. You gotta mash the knife, turn the knife up. Look, up this way, because you gotta cut it. You gotta make sure you cut all of the whole side and then glide it out, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So,
do you like my knife?
so you gotta make sure we're close to the end of the board.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're gonna speed up this process. But hopefully they'll look and taste delicious. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so go ahead, open the oven, and let's put them in. All right, be careful.
Mm-hmm. The brown reminds me of the last thing that we cooked when we cooked the cookies.
Okay. So that should take about 10 to 15 minutes, okay, Kayden?
Mm-hmm.
All right, we'll be back when they're done.
Whoop.
So we're just gonna check on the pizza rolls, see how they're doing. I think ours are a little bit too full. I think we have too much sauce in them, but we're gonna let them cook and then we're gonna see how they turn out. Oh Lord, we got cheese everywhere. I think we had way too much sauce. See, when you cook, you just pick it up with one hand.
That one came out perfect.
Do they smell good?
Ooh, they smell good.
They smell good.
Yeah, this smells familiar. It's a pizza place. Maybe it's Pizza Hut. Oh yeah, this smells like Pizza Hut, Mommy.
It does not smell like Pizza Hut.
Yes, it does.
They're a little messy because I think we might have put too much sauce and cheese in them. So they're a little, I think we maybe overcooked them. This one is perfect. This one is, well.
I'm the one that called out that one and that one.
First of all, some of them have pepperoni in it. Like you see pepperoni? So we're just gonna take them out. No matter how they're shaped, they still taste like pizza, right, Kayden?
Mm-hmm.
This was our first time doing this. You can tell we're not no pastry chefs. But woo, these bad boys are hot. Taste your pizza rolls?
Mm-hmm. I'm curious of how they taste.
All right, go ahead, grab one. I'm gonna grab one.
All right. You sure this is pizza? Cheese?
Yeah, I don't see any pepperoni in that one.
All right.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Tastes like pizza.
They're good.
They're good?
Mm-hmm.
Little fun, simple snack. Do I have the one with pepperoni? I can't even tell. I broke the pepperonis up so small. Let me see. And he always eats his upside down. He eats pizza with the cheese touching his tongue. He says that's how you eat pizza. Cheese be falling everywhere. So now the cheese is tucked in. So now what do you think? And he still has it upside down.
Here's what I think. There's only
talking about. Bite-sized pizza rolls. They're good. I'm just not a cheese lover, like plain cheese, unless it's like a New York style cheese pizza. I think I have a cheese one. We definitely mixed them up. You're just biting the top off.
I like the top.
Next time I think I'll try it with homemade dough so that way the dough, see how the dough sits better. Because these just fell all over the place. So I think that was the problem. We got a winner. Great snack that you can make for your kids before they get home from school. Oh, wait. Kayden's not going to school. I have to homeschool this kid. Oh, my goodness.
They're good.
You just ate he ate all the cheese and the sauce off the dough. Do you know it's just like a pizza crust? I'm telling you, it's just like a pizza crust.
It is?
Yeah, I ate my whole crust. It's just in a circle.
Oh, the dentist said I can't have pizza crust. It's hard.
The dentist said you can't have pizza crust?
Yeah, I got it. It said pizza crust. Look on the paper.
But they said you can't have gum either, but you be chewing gum.
Look, I threw it in the front.
So do the crust in the front. You see how kids do you? He has these metal spacers in his mouth. And just broke the last one.
And now, it is time to present your sexy Pepsi.
You drink too much soda. Alright, let's end the video, wrap it up, okay? So guys, thanks for watching another episode of Cooking with Kayden. And we will see you next Friday again, right here on Food Fridays on Katrina BTV. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching Cooking with Kayden. And we out.